What is life? Reading and listening comprehension. Key scientific vocabulary. You may want to pause the video to check you understand the meaning of these key words. Life is a complex phenomenon that can be defined by certain characteristics that living things or organisms share. Scientists often use the acronym MRS GREN to remember these characteristics. They stand for movement, respiration, sensitivity, growth, reproduction, excretion, and nutrition. Consider a dog as an example of an organism. Dogs exhibit movement by running or wagging their tails. Respiration occurs when dogs breathe in oxygen and exhale carbon dioxide. Sensitivity is displayed by their response to stimuli such as light, sound, and touch. Growth happens as puppies become adult dogs, increasing in size and complexity. Reproduction takes place when dogs have puppies of their own. Excretion is seen when dogs remove waste products from their bodies. Lastly, dogs need nutrition, which they get from food they consume. On the other hand, non-living entities like volcanoes, while active and changing, do not possess these characteristics that define life. For instance, a volcano doesn't have a biological process of respiration. It doesn't inhale oxygen and exhale carbon dioxide. It does not grow in the same way an organism does, and it certainly doesn't reproduce or excrete waste in the biological sense. However, while a volcano can consume earth materials in the sense of incorporating them into its structure during an eruption, it does not intake nutrients as living organisms do. Therefore, despite its dynamic nature, a volcano is not considered a living organism because it does not fulfill the MRS GREN criteria. Let's check you understand. Here are 5 true or false questions about the video so far. You may want to pause the video, answer the questions, and put your answers in the comments. Here is some information for those who would like to push their understanding. Viruses exist on the boundary of life. They show some characteristics of MRS GREN, such as reproduction, when they invade host cells to replicate. However, they lack movement, cannot perform respiration or growth independently, and are insensitive to stimuli. Their status regarding excretion and nutrition is also complex, as they use host cells for these processes. This has led scientists to debate whether viruses are truly alive. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe to get notified when new videos are released.